over 3 billion loans don lost inside the foreign travel tax na the Sierra Leone Airport Authority. Up till now, ACC no show any interest over this issue.
Police bin don arrest and release one of the children speaker dem inside Makeni. When they release them, they say they no forget any talk with the former caretaker Anes Baikoroma or no for Gonia Poor Society. This and plenty other things them dey for you inside the program today. No go no side. We come back just now. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. And done. And no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. Thank you for your help we for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.
This na the program we had the channel where they forgive always the things them as we all know how we had don't turn over we be the expect things them the good one them before they report them big one pass the bad one them but it look like say the bad things them where they happen inside we had they don't boku pass the good things them.
Inside the 2018 campaign, caretaker say he ready for change things for the better of the people them inside we are. Then they know say the last government been corrupt. Then say they go come and change for let the people and smile. But 3 years from when they don't take over office as the government of we are, then still they complain and cry. But how the last government been wreck the country? Well, this for be excuse? What do you think? Left your comments down for we na the comment section. My name na Aliyu.
And me na Justin.
Well, as we talk about changing the lives of people, one of the things that way me personally been the experience na transportation wahala. What's hello?
PZ. Eastern Police.
Bombastic. No, na halfway we dey go, na halfway. No, two way.
Yeah, that's because of the traffic.
We return na shell we return. Lovely. PZ. No, region 2. Eh, na Congo cross we return o ya. Uda was late Kandon, Congo cross we return.
This guy na been good apprentice.
No, driver, no pull and quick. Police can no pull and quick. Well, this suffering still continue. It's like say the power new direction not ready for changes kind thing it's now we had. But let we not labor we say, let we just watch how the grammar in Talek now we are, especially inside the free tongue inside we are, as people they go about their normal business them. When they come back just now.
Well, now so Italek, now we are. Now this we can always say, before you they take over something, know what you talk about the person where we done the day. Although we all know transport business inside we are, not to today, it begin. If it don't begin, way back, even the former regime, this will happen. But now all this we will see where we brothers them come and tell you say new direction for change everything. We decide for put them inside. But yet still, we don't see nothing shake it inside these first 3 years.
So that tell you say something not shake.
Well, take a look of yourself. Inside we are, make you see what's they happen.
Well, thing just the there, thing just the triangle, something shake.
It's Alex say, the bad things them where they happen inside we had, then look Boku pass the good things.
But this one na because of the Tolombo government wreck the country.
Yeah, well, now Imek we pull it to Tolombo and bring the new direction.
So waiting now for later.
Well, now a better changes as soon as say, when they change, we had.
But wait till you watch this video we play just now. You see when they force that woman, like when they pack bundle them inside cargo. It's when they force them for go inside the motor car. That then are the small part. When you go left for one, especially in a region to go for go Lumley, Aberdeen, and other side, you go left for one day, then there with small border, then we border there. They whip your phone, come out, lick you wallet or your purse, come out and you purse. Now you pocket. It's serious. The situation is serious every day inside we are. Some one day I be watch one video where somebody they say, when I feel say difficulty now we have no more idea. Even the football now all things don't go up.
That video make a laugh.
They say first time na football and they beat 1-0, 2-0, but now na 7-1, 8-1. So all things don't go up.
I tell you.
Anyway, not to just that too. We get the Deputy Minister of Internal Affairs. We get masters in terrorizing people.
Well, that's the type of tell you say, Italek say, this man when a lie Lawrence Lima, the Deputy Minister of Internal Affairs, the way where he study for get style them, for terrorize people them, I think he not able to study so for go sit exam na the law school.
Normally, it's not easy for these two things go together. They say if you want for one after two after together, you they lost all. And see? So you not going to study for terrorize people them, na pademba or the other side, and they at the same time, you dey study for pass exam na law school. You expect for the win or two.
Mr. Deputy Minister, it look like say you really get degree for fail. You fail one. We left you for let you go study and come back. Bravo Joe, you come back and fail for this for the second time? How did it happen?
I fail.
But anyway, it's right.
But the one they waiting at law school, not time for a whole deputy minister and then they make you fail 2 times.
No. They not do bad. They not do bad. School not a gay. We don't get failures. Everybody for pass no more. No,
but not to the deputy minister, boom. They not try. But as we the talk say, they stop me for Paremba and other things then. But from when the prison department put their own mock report and fake report about the Paremba or the incident. Tell now we know the government inquiry commented to the investigation.
No, then they pull and police they investigate.
Yeah, okay. I've been telling you this other time say if this report we accept them, the one way when the prisons department pull, we accept them, the government report not they ever come out.
Nashika police they investigate.
But tell me this thing. How on earth you we commit crime, now you to go back and investigate and come and pull reports. Police wait for investigate you, then sit down, they not pull any word. The committee, when they set up for investigate the issue, then sit down, they not talk no word.
But how you go say police sit down, not talk any word or pull any reports? Police they investigate. This now we had. If police not done with the investigation, it what you expect them for can't talk. Me people they will not worry. Police they investigate.
Oh, Paremba Road. Not to 40 people let me say die.
Now so the people they say, but them can't tell me number way small. You know remember?
Not to be 21
then they say 21. When them go show with that petite hips them where they see a grave, go not see nothing. You know remember?
They just show you the grave. The first time, we don't ever see any 2 videos on social media except one.
We start get yard.
We have get started. You understand? Take it easy.
That's one.
Take it easy. But anyway, let me go small. As we talk about Lima and the law school, let me come down to the primary school. You know, say they say they supply other things them to the school picking them.
Then say what you say.
No, not only one honorable member inside parliament being decided for ask question, no listen and quick here when they come back just now.
Mr. Speaker, honorable members, I was asked by my constituents to ask Mr. President about the uniforms which he promised to give us. I want to know if these uniforms are going to be available come September so that I can deliver the message to
This honorable member not inside we are. Just in that school inside post local, you know see where they supply people the picking and they gold chairs them.
Talk and do.
Gold chairs them. Down on booklet, and then they write fast.
Well now the doubts. Una way they go and talk, tap. This na new direction. We first priority.
Now,
free education.
and quality
free education.
and the priority now girl picking them.
Una no believe? For make una know say we, the education work out inside we are na quality education. Watch the chairs them. When they pick out the city exam, see
Good chairs.
very classic.
Yeah, Famulem Adena DC Private School Makoba for my content chiefdom Kotoko District for do assessment on the preparation of the reopening of schools. Famula Sona they see picking them not get enough furniture at the school. Pastor she don't have grown for rights. Very, very much saddened. You will see just few picking that they will get access for get bench and desk for rights. Other hand, she don't have run for rights. Just see whether they will do the rights. How long they go to for rights. By the time school they off, the uniform don't know tea, then they get paid. So they call on the authorities to be concerned for come and see this thing for themselves. And I believe this video what I don't do will serve as an evidence that indeed this school lack furniture and picking they really they suffer for access education at this part of the country. This na DC Primary School Makoba, where they now my content chiefdom with top of the street. As soon as very hard in girl beginning for that matter. When the government put priority on girl beginning, girl child education, but they see a girl beginning they don't have grown for rights examination. Very, very much saddening. But they call on the authorities for stepping at least for every school with furniture so that then begin the able for strain then go get quality education.
Who tell you now? Gold chairs na they don't pan the pen them na silver pen them.
Electron
And the books them they get diamond cover.
Talk and do. Talk and do.
Now talk and do. So don't always stand on that day. But wait so you remember we first lady inside we yard. We make one statement say anybody when at SLPP na true we Adonians.
Well, I think say we already inside we are BC that video there.
Well, if you not be in here, watch and quick. In how long go will you come back this now?
We believe say anybody when at SLPP na true Sierra Leonean right now.
I tell you now. Now let we look. If waiting we first lady been say na true or na lie. The time where the youth then stop them na tumbo for let them go fishing, let them load na boat past 5. When them tower them come na the police station, can stone the police station. Waiting them though they not kill people them.
Of course.
Now bike riders inside the Freetown, the central business district CBD, they say they not for riding. Anyone when they catch and they lock her up, na true or na lie?
Not true.
Some bike they know the way they go destroy this BNTM.
Of course.
Inside Matrujon, bump these streets. Osari Kia take a komoto. Last time when waiting happen. Then most of them now SLPP NT. They go attack the police station. Then 2 days there. When they attack the police station, then destroy the police station. Take them bike then. Almost people in the arrest.
0 counts.
Then destroy the police station.
Of course, now they right for destroy them because now we now the power this now we time.
Then shoot anybody.
No. Nobody not the right for shoot because they why I went to this act now supporter of the new direction. What thing you expect them for do? You expect police to go shoot tear gas or light bullets man them? No.
But I be see the police when we want the police and they say una go.
Well, as I dey say, my brother, if policeman don't come out, talk word now we had say, this now we time. So Jaman come and pull video, talk word say, this now we time, anybody who mistake. You know, you get a call yourself because an animal, not only for talk about animal.
With the rough farm.
What do you expect everyone inside born for do?
Anyway, they are big. For let you belong to we yard, let you turn real salon person. And for joining SLPP, yeah? What do you think? Let me comment down for we. Now we comment. The first lady don't talk, I talk even before he become first lady. Yeah? So now we go to now we see so vis-a-vis with the siak.
No more. we be feel say everybody inside we had forget the same rights when it comes to the law.
No.
But
I will tell you, say, all man not get the same rights. Law they go down small. Police them be so lenient, you know, be so cool with the one that we protest.
yeah, one even be they make call, I don't know who swamp and the boss the way they call, come them man don't come at the police station, some of them not sabi them face themselves, so not by face. Not by face and they arrest. It happened to me. When I do something we not expect, say, when I do as officers.
Why you not expect her? First lady be don't talk her. Only who that from SLPP supporter, na him a true salon person.
But I think say elections don't done. Election don't done.
Well, no, election don't know, you right. But the politics still they continue.
We had.
This. Now we are. Let me go down small now. This tears so Italy say it will go big time. Before we go and talk about the former caretaker, remember say them they go for go interview but it not be right entity. They don't make plenty arrests. But before we go down there, let me touch the airport. Just me they talk about the foreign travel tax. That's the money. If you travel inside and outside Riyadh, you get extra tax where you pay. That they call them foreign travel tax. That money they don't plenty. Now revenue down the way we had the government for use for able for do things them now the airport and other side them. But for that plenty money they the fiscal year for 2018-2019 we understand say from the audit report about 3.something billion leos they're not able for account for them. And then
Not to 3 million euros.
billions. 100 million, 3 billions. They're not able for account for them. And not tap deal. Then find out say, then they send the money instead of it go na the Sierra Leone, na the Bank of Salon, it go na other accounts them. Na Zenith Bank and then Standard Chartered Bank instead of Bank of Sierra Leone, who sign are they supposed for the payments. Well, according to the Director General for Sierra Leone Airport Authority, say they make mistake, they take money na one of the airline and pay money inside their own account instead of the send and go side supposed for send and, but they don't withdraw that then so you say oh.
We know now so it always the end. Once it comes to the one them we belong inside this pauper regime. This we don't need for high things. If you get an account where for deposit certain amount of money, right? You're not blind. You hide there, they shine like me on so. You go now the bank. Or now you do the transfer.
You give the bank account.
You know, you give the bank account and our numbers them. Right? When not they ever be the same. Don't today, you can't tell we say na a mistake. This, you know, Ben Kelfala no get for sure any concern over that particular issue.
Because of
he Ben and he no say that
in Fala attack. What you mean?
in Brown and of the meter.
He Ben, then it is Fala attack of the day.
This not the problem. When people they come out now and talk them things here, you get the party picking them. When they no one hear them facts here, then they come on social media for give wrong information, for can cause people them where they give the right information, which are like some of you na cause we tell na tire, we still they talk. That not they stop we. But then things are where they go on our yard. If they continue, we not see no need on they run after the former regime say them corrupt.
No, but you say former landing and red, this not green, so now that the Africanist movement, the Africanist, Pan-Africanist press, you know, where I don't know if I get the name right, when China Bar and other people them do proper investigation into this in Otap Bill, the Timber, not to Timberland Buto, but this is like one past Timberland. The Timber, somebody then they talk on social media say, hey, EPA, that the Environmental Protection Agency, and say this timber and business so they do say go and create global mining, ego contribute to the warming. Say, take her easy. Not to just the warming it will create. Let we look at the money. Plenty billion dollars again dollars. The Africanist movement and just the enter Paris we had the new direction government. Then if any trainer money they know more than thing in it. Look watch look the audio the the pictures then. You know, call it Timba. And now the own family and the idea. Italian was say all of them one they are so we're supposed to pay outside and supposed to pay, then get their own separate account and when they pay some of them money they are so. Hey, this with new direction, no corruption already.
I know. No corruption already. Inside this
Then clean.
new direction. Then
Like
clean.
snow.
Then clean, I know. Like this white where they now this polo.
Nah, the
but
system
listen,
does not
listen,
like
let me tell
snow.
you. Listen, let me tell you. New direction, honestly, it just sounds like say now birthday they can celebrate. We are in they make big birthday cake. Everybody they can no more and cut you. Inside the first 3 years. New direction will not take you for fight corruption. But inside this first 3 years, if we calculate all, we go now with archives, we take all the information, we calculate all the money them we don't lost inside this first 3 years. It look like see, if this continue inside Uyada, I don't know for the next 2 years we remain for Una. We don't know how it go there or how many deaths them even who will get for pay and how many damage if governments change whosoever we fortunate for can take over we are how they able manage we are if this continue.
Therefore, each infrastructural development should be affordable and must be funded without recourse to publicly guaranteed debt. We also believe that infrastructural investment must be purposeful. They must unlock tangible economic growth and improve the quality of life of each of the citizens. In the construction and maintenance phases, there must be real job opportunities and skills training and transfer with implications for real income for serial unions. We insist on that for every infrastructure investment in this country.
What's that the park away can answer you so? So then they do things them for lady people and benefit. Exactly. Exactly, sir. Exactly. All of them things they have to now for benefit the people them. You know, lay 3 billion lost na airport and for benefit the people.
Of
them.
course.
2 billion lost na
No, the airport is not lost. They mistake for sending another account.
Okay. 2 billion missing under the timber.
They're not missing. Now the same mistake that they try for rectify the mistake.
Interestingly, about 13 billion euros then a bank of Salon.
Where they're not.
They're not Sabusara money they come out. No documents, no they so effect for sure say this money where you don't hire so now this year, now this.
But I can imagine money
For
na
say,
bank.
now you have the reserve bank of Salon 13 billion euros Lidon Day. When they don't know side come out, no account supporting documents no day for sure say this is common at airport, this is common at the timber, this is common at state house, this is none 13 billion euros. So that they put on the phone. Can't take I do sir.
No doubt. If rest lost inside we had, Ben Kefala investigate. He say no see no case. At the end of the day, the rest will not see her. Now small money down there for go down a bank, you don't get owner.
Poppy I do sir. Caretaker. Caretaker. I look caretaker don't come here before you face it. Cover you. Caretaker come over to me.
But quick one. I understand say that in for me to caretaker don't go Liban back. Nah, that somebody just pass on me.
Wait, come on Libanon, you don't go Libanon back.
Not talk people make people
Yeah,
the
maybe.
camera.
You don't go Libanon back.
That's tell you say after that program for go launch the clock tower, caretaker don't enter Liban back.
So this time you not really tell me say don't go Libanon.
You need for tell you now. Now the caretaker.
Okay, so you know say some of them picking them na Kuwait, na Lebanon, not they all not being kind, so they don't go arrange back. This thing not only no, they don't go arrange for let them come back.
You sure say na there? No talk and let them hear you because one pikin bin pull audio say make caretaker no go talk like say na him pay for them from Lebanon. Na money wey other surrogate organization them plus then your money.
Now that make the caretaker vex and don't go back to go talk say now we pay and we can't pay back. But that make it go.
Danny na quick one not forget not go na camera back. Not talk to the people.
Now do. My name na Aliyu.
And me na just
This na your program. We
yeah.
are. Remember that thing that happened na Makeni? Usai ACC Anti-Corruption Commission been go for go interview the former caretaker Anes Baiko. Might not be happening. 2 days after that day, any police begin arrest stakeholders there. They arrest beaucoup people them. Amongst the people where they arrest, now the speaker, I think na Shebora Kasanga, Bombali Shebora chiefdom.
The chief.
The speaker.
Oh, the speaker.
Yes, the chiefdom speaker.
Okay.
Then go arrest them. In not do, then go raid the district council chairman in Os. Then arrest in West.
And not to normal. Right now, as we talk, me people, the Bike Riders Association chairman, he don't hide because himself they look for him, and the drivers union chairman himself don't hide. Isa McKinney because if you see him,
oh, we the new direction. We know the take lawlessness. Anybody we want to try we could make sure say we arrest them.
It's good to arrest, but what I want to ask here is the big question I want to ask here is, so it means say inside this new direction, now me and you forget demarcation of whosoever want to talk to inside we are.
When you talk so, this na the condition. The chiefdom speaker, after when they be arrest them, 2 days after the issue na McKinney, they release them. When they release them, the condition when they give them, now that, number 1, enough for talk to the former caretaker.
Can you imagine?
Enough for talk to them. If he talk to them, then they come for him back. Number 2, enough forget anything for those poor society. If they notice say he get anything for those poor society, and they call him back.
Then, according to law, I feel say that people they tamper to the rights of the people,
The rights for associates or belongs, and the rights for talk to them, for talk to free movement and all. It's like say the 1991 Constitution. Oh yes, the Constitution suspend right now. We dey under state of emergency.
of no use.
Now they use so now.
Of no use, the state of emergency.
Now
When we
they
get
use so.
inside we are, it not get used today, it not get used
Because
tomorrow.
if the Constitution they work, if the Constitution they work, I free for talk to that one for talk.
Then that for tell you say now for some of them you think say where the power and new direction government want do now it make them lift up, put up this state of emergency because me not see nothing inside we are where we for the under state of emergency. If then they talk of corona, yeah, we get country the way they're affected by this corona. The worst, they don't ever even get locked down reach 3 to 4 months.
No,
Don't salute with
this now we are
emergency.
This now we are. We different, and this now new directions where we take, we're different from any other direction.
We
Period.
had, we dey feel pain.
Who's paying Andy?
Then they bully me too much.
Who that they bully me? We
When
dey
you
enjoy.
talk, they either can't
Put you in a
force
tight
you where they
place.
no able see, or go put you in a tight place. And not only for putting you in a tight place, but they church you inside the back.
The one forget caretaker. The former caretaker. He and the IGP been get one conversation, one discussion on telephone. I get 2 feelings about this discussion. But before I tell you now the 2 feelings, the good and the bad feelings about this, let me listen to this conversation. Like about just now.
Yes, my brother.
Yes, AIG.
Yes, sir. I give.
Yes, IG. Sorry, I do have TV number.
Oh, yes, that's true.
I apologize. I
Oh.
don't reach before former President Kuroma,
Um,
and I go one let you talk, and instead they listen to you, let you understand the circumstance on the ground.
okay.
I did put you on speaker. I hope
Okay.
you wouldn't come out.
Okay, you are putting me on speaker. Okay.
Yes, I did
Yes.
put you on speaker now,
All right.
so you can state what your position, and you'll hear his response. He's here now with me.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, partners. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, IG. How are
Yeah,
you?
yeah, no bad, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir. Our role here this time is to support ACC to interview you, and now that they just they do as a security sector,
Yes.
and that they don't come because now being Monday this before happen, but we been made to understand that we have been agreed through your lawyers and Mr. Ben Kefala to left hand for today Thursday.
Yes.
And that, but when they don't come, they say the security situation around your house is so untenable that people then they just holler, cause security sector, cause the sitting president and the like. So, which is not. So I have cause to call Mr. Joseph Kamara, who has been my brother for quite a long time. I said this is not good for our country. I said, let them talk to those that are around there to leave that place, because the issue there is they are just coming to interview former president. And people should not be coming around his premises and start to do this kind of thing. It's not good. It's not good at all. I said, no, our business is to provide security for the ACC. Now they are afraid of passing through those humiliations, which is not supposed to be happening in Sierra Leone. And we expect that people can behave like decent people in our society. I think this borders on former presidents, and that now a noble person. If they are coming to behave that kind of situation, is not good. And the ACC are saying that they cannot pass through them, and they have obligation that they should get you interviewed. And yes, sir.
Well, Mr. IG.
Yes, sir.
Make us start first by congratulating you on your appointment as IG.
Thank you, sir.
This is not the very first time they get an engagement from your appointment.
Yes, sir.
And wish you well in this new assignment.
Yes, sir.
Now, the issue we discuss, the issue is a public issue, and as far as me concerned, did you get me?
Yes, sir. They get you, sir.
As far as me concerned, I don't grant this interview because of my respect for the law.
Yes, sir.
And also having in mind the circumstances as a president of this country, we don't serve for 2 terms. The issue of people around and my premises and anywhere, not to anything we for come to Wuna as a surprise, especially to you, IG. Are you there?
I'm getting you, Sam.
Yeah, because you understand, you know, the last time we had a similar situation, but we engaged seriously, and when I come in, when I conduct, when I interview, and it went through peacefully. Not so?
Yes, sir.
Now, I think, say, this is not a different situation. I don't tell me lawyers them. Me wants for make we conduct this thing today, and I don't want it to be postponed. I also don't tell them, say, you fortunately we don't go through this, and what we need is for make the lawyers and me own outfits of a security apparatus when a government you go take demand them, just ignore what people they say and talk, and come in and conduct the interview, and when the interview done, we go out, then go about the business. Me self no want to make it appear like say, I don't want for subject myself. Far from it. Because my hands are clean. I am not an angel, but I think I have answers to everything we don't day out. So I'm not afraid to be subjected to any interview, and above all, I respect the law. So I think let we work together, and let us also ensure that these things are expected everywhere in the world.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But you look, demonstrations in America against Trump, other people in the government. I mean, it is now your responsibility as the police for manage the situation. So we don't come now and say the lawyers and we own security apparatus will guarantee them of a secured environment within my compound. When they don't, may them go. Let us don't escalate it to the point where the people then will begin to interpret them how they want to interpret them. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Now, one thing, sir, Your Excellency, former President, is I don't have problem with your compound. I don't, because I have been there once, twice, thrice. My only problem is those that are out of the perimeter of the compounds are creating a lot of problems for those that are coming in to get you to face with you. And that now that I know it's my police business to manage it, they are your people. They are our people.
Mr. IG.
Let us tell them to excuse us to come and pass. Yes, sir.
Mr. IG, the last time, in fact, the situation where they now is not as bad as it was where you become. Me don't tell you, say, the legal people and we own the CSO dinner. May them go take the people them and come in and can conduct this interview. Let us not begin to blow this thing out of proportion.
All right, sir. Let me just call them and tell them, let them use the method I used the last time to reach out to you.
So you don't get experience, Mr. IG. You don't come to this place here under more difficult circumstances. And you succeeded in doing it, and you would have concluded without any issue. Yeah? Hello, IG?
Yes, sir.
You know, all of these that they do, now because I respect the law. You understand?
Yes, sir.
As to why they do this and other things is something else.
Yes,
but
sir.
We just want peace and quiet in this country. I don't fight for peace and quiet in this country for a very long time, and I'm still on it.
Yes, sir.
So please, let we get peace and quiet. Let us don't blow it out of proportion. Let us don't be too heavy-handed and let people not use any excuse. Say, I don't want to subject myself to an interview. I want to go through this interview, and I also want to work within the framework of the law in this country.
Yes, sir, which is very good. That's a very good pace you have set.
Okay.
And I will talk to them. Thank you very much for talking to me, sir.
You are welcome.
You are welcome.
IG?
Okay. Well, now in the happen inside Wiada. Una don hear wetin the former caretaker talk to the IG. I don't know wetin una think. Una really need for help we na the comment section for make we know una own takes over this particular discussion. But me, I just
two things I tell una say me get two feelings. Number one, if the IGP be non go to the former caretaker 2 or 3 times, and the time when even they go there, the kind people that will be the more than waiting, then see this time around where they go for go interview, then the IGP for we don't use that technique they back for go, or it's either they been get your agenda. Number 2, this audio where we call leak audio, we not say not to a leak audio, na a deliberate act for them to release them. But the danger for this kind of thing now, next time, if certain individual want for talk to authority, then go scared for talk. And if you want for ask for anything where for do with protection, then go afraid for do because then go feel say you call me for record me and sell me out back to the public. So now me 2 angle landed to this particular audio.
now this they go on a Wiada. Well, this will be things in a fine communication with the IG and the former caretaker do. Just to make the IGP and the former caretaker for let him understand themselves. But now we don't see a scenario wherein this audio don't come out where they use the words in a leak audio. For we now we are not to leak audio this. If this recording not come out, to the former president in your side, he will come out to the IGP. But when you watch technically, the call come out from the former caretaker, say, IG, we deal with the former caretaker now, we can talk. So now, who that therefore pull this audio, it didn't then two side, but moreover, it didn't at the camp of the former caretaker.
So with the just advice for the future, when the two big men in the talk, please let me try for keep them confidential. We not say fine for be transparent, but not in the kind case there. It will make the next time when situation and they arise, certain people, even if they under stress call, certain people are not going to pick on a call because on fitting a setup. Yeah, so now just waiting. Quick, no go to the airport back. You know, say na 50% salary they give to the Salon airport staff then.
The quality within at the airports, then get that quality for mistake, for send money which are not supposed to go. But they don't get the quality for pay the workers them where they make money come inside the coffer of the airport inside Riyadh.
We understand say during the corona we get lockdown airports not be the work and all of them things, then flights not be the cancel, money not be the can. Because of that they cost the staff the payments from 100% to 50%. But this one, it's not like for saying no one go back to the 100% to it just don't fix to the 50%. There, FLA Sierra Leone Airport Aviation Authority waiting the happen. FLAA waiting the happen. Please, the airport authority on a release people at 50%. We not say the Ministry of Finance they pay the complete salary, and as per waiting I be understand, them for being give backlog during the time when they begin the lockdown, they don't begin work now. Then backlog of the 50% they for begin. But it's not like say this don't turn habit say enough for go back to 100% at the same 50%. Waiting they happen. When I release people in salary, you know.
Well, these all are some of the things them where can make workers them they grab they strike. When they strike now, the next thing una they press on their right, una begin to arrest them, go lock them unnecessary.
And then go begin telling say na APC people them.
That's the problem.
Na opposition people them.
That's the problem.
Sabotage me.
How somebody no get your rights again for express them, you they fling them to a party, say na they belong. How will that sound so?
Because now when you talk something and say you na APC, when you talk something and say you na opposition, and the word that cut you quote according to your size. Inside the yard right now.
All man for turn.
If you wallow, then go bollow you.
All man for turn.
When you talk, they put you in a tight place. When you tower,
when they shut your inside. When come I go so.
When they rough you. Anyway, what do you think about all the issues that we don't discuss today? Let your comment down in the comment section, okay? You like this video, please give it a thumbs up. The last video, you get beaucoup dislike. Oh.
I tell you. Not them.
Then we found with una kushe.
But now we can't still. We love you.
We not say not to all man will like you.
Famous people don't sing the music.
Yes. But the only thing no more do what you want for the perseverance, we continue, okay? My name is Aliu, and this.
Before I go. Love just go, sir. Kamarimba will know the arena team in case and will get interest over that particular case there.
That underage picking.
Yeah, wait and see what points the business part. That case they will know how they go, how they go.
Kamarimba, you did it?
You say expecting for this. You did Bamba Kayaka.
You don't get information about Kamarimba. It just don't go zing. Yeah. And it gets yeah. It don't go yen. Kamarimba. Ebo. Now be the people in this way, they analyze them, figures them for we.
So God now
we really
miss them. Miss you, brother.
Family them, me na Mohammed Kamarimba Mansari.
Miss you, brother.
Today na so date. I want for tell una about waiting the government don't misuse. Ebo. It's like right now they don't hear. Yeah, this government is a bill.
We're not thinking all that thing and they make in case just they.
Then they did it for so did it. For they don't release and say they no can tamper with the evidence or the how they call it, the witness. I mean the leak and the.
Anyway, New direction.
Not saying that's no more. I say Khadija, that pick way then be alleged to the rape him, he spined him, he end up for accidents, then he die later, in case don't go to high court now.
But maybe I don't tell you about that case there. The only thing we need for Khadija is prayer. That case, you not get for Gunu side.
Well, then say the people then get case for answer too. The one the way they accuse. So I court say they get case for answer too. Well, until we get for no waiting at the case where they get answer to. My name na Ali Wamoten.
And me, na Justin.
They insist it don't they done.
It don't they finish.
It don't they done. Because I'm not saying once they crash now, but still I left and give you.
It don't they go. But still, until we see say it don't matter before we left for advice. As you know, as usual, the advice where I use for you. Be careful and take your time when rain dark or rain they come. Keep off from any side where you feel see water they come with heavy speed for save life. Until we meet again na the next program. I love una all. Una take care. Una not forget for subscribe, like, comment for make we self they communicate with una na on the comment section below.
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. Thank you for we don help we for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.